Why do some people achieve great success? Uncovering the secrets of thinking big. What triggers some individuals to reach the pinnacles of success while others languish at the base camp, struggling to even start their ascent? Is it just luck, tireless hard work, or something as intrinsic as our thought patterns? In today's exploration, we delve into David Schwartz's seminal work, The Magic of Thinking Big. Since its debut in 1959, this book has not only inspired individuals to elevate their careers, but also to enrich their personal lives and shatter the chains of self-doubt, all through the transformative power of mindset shifts. Welcome to CoCo Finance, where we dig deep into not just surviving, but thriving across personal and financial domains. Embark on this transformative expedition with us and learn how a simple adjustment in your mindset can significantly lift your life's trajectory. Eliminate excusitis, the failure disease. A pivotal concept from Schwartz is the identification and remediation of excusitis, often referred to as the failure disease. This condition is characterized by a chronic habit of making excuses. The most prevalent forms include age. Excuse, I'm too old or too young. Whether it's Cecil, who believes he's too set in his ways at 40 to switch careers, or Jerry, who feels overwhelmed managing older employees at 23, age is often seen as a barrier. Yet changing this mindset to view age merely as a number can unlock new doors to opportunities. Health excuse. My health isn't good enough. Consider a person who remains convinced of non-existent heart problems despite medical reassurances, versus another who, equipped with a mechanical heart valve, embarks on ambitious endeavors. These scenarios illustrate that our ambitions should be fueled by our conditions, not limited by them. Luck. Excuse? I'm just not lucky. Take David, whose promotion was not a matter of luck, but a payoff of relentless effort and meticulous planning. Success is forged in the fires of preparation, not the whims of fortune. Intelligence. Excuse, I'm not smart enough. Intelligence should be seen not as a measure of mental capacity, but as a dynamic tool for problem solving. John's accomplishments as a disabled veteran highlight how a positive outlook and adaptability are far more critical than traditional measures of intelligence. Build confidence and destroy fear. Schwartz advocates that confidence is constructed through proactive steps, while fear diminishes in the same stride. He suggests several strategies to build confidence and stave off fear. Action cures. Fear. Tackling challenges directly not only mitigates fear, but also cements confidence. For example, voicing your ideas in meetings can fortify your self-assurance and elevate your professional presence. Deposit positive thoughts. Envision your mind as a savings account where deposits of positive thoughts accumulate, providing a wealth of confidence that you can tap into during times of uncertainty, bolstering your resolve and self-esteem. Adjust your perspective. Perceiving others as fundamentally similar to yourself can reduce intimidation and foster empathy, making interactions both personal and professional more rewarding and less daunting. Harness the power of thinking. To think big is to broaden your horizons and imagine greater possibilities, which can pave the way for monumental achievements. Use positive language. Words possess the power to shape our realities. Select language that embodies positivity, growth, and success. Visualize success. Continually imagining your goals as already accomplished can steer your subconscious towards making those visions a reality, enhancing the likelihood of their fruition. See beyond the present. Reflect on the realtor who transformed dilapidated farms into premium estates. Always search for potential where others see despair. Such vision can lead to profound transformations and successes. Conclusion. Embrace a larger vision. The magic of thinking. Big teaches us that the foundation of success lies in how we perceive ourselves and our possibilities. By adopting Schwartz's strategies, profound shifts can occur not just in our thoughts, but also in our actions and overall life paths. Key insights: dispense with excuses and seize opportunities. Regardless of age, health, or other perceived barriers, foster confidence through consistent, bold actions and maintain it through a steady diet of positive thoughts. Broaden your view to envision and capture greater successes. Final thoughts. As we conclude, remember that the extent of our success is often a reflection of the scope of our thoughts. By expanding our perspectives and actions, we can profoundly transform our lives. If you found this exploration enlightening, support CoCo Finance by subscribing and hitting the notification bell for more insightful content. Share this video to empower others on their journey to achieving their full potential.